In section 5.2, you'll be working with future value annuities. A future value annuity is a type of account where a set amount of money is deposited into the account on a regular basis to increase the value of the account. So maybe you take $100 a month out of your paycheck and put it into a savings account. That would make it a future value annuity. One thing it's sometimes called is a sinking fund. A sinking fund is a savings account to purchase something specific. So the idea being you save up for a little while and then you sink the fund. So sinking fund. So what we're adding from the last section is the addition of this set payment. So we now have two different types of money that is deposited into an account. We have a present value and a payment. So a present value, which is sometimes called a lump sum deposit, is a one-time deposit into the account. So maybe you got a gift from your grandmother of $100. That's a one-time deposit. But if you're putting aside $50 a month into an account, that would be a payment. So present values happen just one time, payments happen some set regular amount of time. Now, the payments, just like present values, are directional. So if the payment is being made into the bank account, that would be a negative payment. And if you are regularly taking that amount of money out of the bank, then that would be a positive payment. Now, we also need to distinguish between annuity due and ordinary annuities. They sound very similar. Annuity due have the payments made at the beginning of the period. So at the bottom of the TVM solver, we've got a PMT, end, and begin. And so anytime it says it's an annuity due, or anytime it says the payments are made at the beginning of a period, we want to change that payment from end to begin. So I would make a note of that somewhere in your notes, put a star by it. It's something that people often forget. I mentioned it in the TVM solver video, but I wanted to mention it again just because it's something that's easy to forget. So if it says annuity due or beginning, we set the payment at begin. Otherwise, any other type of situation, we'll leave the payment at end. So that's what we're going to be looking at in section 5.2. I'll let you get to it.